Today we're going to look at simulating gravity in a Scratch application. So I already have a sprite on the screen. In this case it's Scratch Cat, and I've already selected a background for him. What we're going to do first is write some code that will simulate him going up. So I'm going to detect if the up arrow is pressed, then I'm going to do something. So let me go to the scripts. We're always going to start with when the green flag is clicked. Now I could check for up arrow using this command, but I'm going to do this one a little bit different because this one is a little slower than doing it the way that I'm going to. So I'm going to go to my control, and because I want to keep checking, I'm going to drag out a forever block, and I'm going to put an if-then right underneath that. Then I'm going to go to sensing, and here's where I can get my test to see if a certain key was pressed. So I'm going to change the word space to up arrow. So now what I have is when the green flag is clicked, then I'm going to check to see if the up arrow was pressed. Alright. Now let's go to data. I want to make a variable, and I'm going to call it gravity. And in my case it's going to be for all sprites. Okay. So I'm going to set my gravity. You can experiment with different values for yours, but I'm going to set it to 15. Alright? And then what I want to do is I'm going to change the Y position of the cat if the up arrow is pressed by 10 spaces. So to make the cat come down, what I'm going to do is going to grab a repeat until and put it right under my change Y. And I'm going to check, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to change gravity by -1. So that's just a variable. And then I'm going to change Y by the value of gravity. So I'm going to change that to gravity. Now, when do I know where to stop? Well, in this case I'm going to sense for when he's touching, he's back on the ground, which is represented by this gray color. So I'm going to put that in there and change it to when he gets to the gray color. So now we have, if the up arrow is pressed, then we're just going to set gravity, and we're going to change Y, so he'll go up. Then he's going to start falling back down because we're changing the Y. And when we finally touch the gray color, he will stop. So now let's see if it works. I'm pressing the up arrow, and it's working.